Now, there may be a record somewhere out there in the world saying something like, hey, NVIDIA post-stock split is not going to be as good to trade. We would like to redact that from the permanent record, delete it from the internet like Devin Haney's trying to do after getting beaten up by Ryan Garcia. We're looking at this thing June 25th. And we're going to cover all of this in this video, but like literally just following the rigged system, you could have made money even without the alerts. Ended up being a full send, trend day. I mean, this just has everything you could possibly want. Open. We go lower, and what happens? What happens right here? You get a high win rate, bull bomb. That goes for 103. Now, it's only a Tuesday. You would think you would get a lot more than 103%. Because we end up closing 5 strikes above the blue line. 5-strike move, even though it's a Tuesday, should pay a lot more. That's the problem post-stock split. But this is super tradable. Okay, go down. You get a high win rate. Come up. The bulls are hitting it. If you don't trade the open, you're late here. Let's wait until we get back to the blue line and the window. Window theory is basically from 10:30-ish to 11. If you are 1 strike above the blue line, probably going to keep going. Going to switch over to draw mode, show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, the risk, and how you could have really traded this like without alerts, just following rigged. All right, people, let's say we skip the open. What do you have? What do you have? A ton of bull bombs with high win rate and edge. But the exciting thing here is this moment when we hit the blue, maybe like 10-17, and bounce above it. Not only do we bounce above it, we actually go up, a strike higher from 121 to 122. And this time frame, which is rough, work in progress, is roughly called the window. Directly after the open, if you're 1 strike higher, at least you touched it. Volume's high, likely to go up, likely to get 3 strikes. I want to follow the alerts. Look at how this thing plays out, okay? So window, bullish, obviously. And you're also, getting the alerts that match price action. I mean, this is like 11:05. You're basically running up 2 strikes without any kind of pullback. Slight one there, and then here we are at 12:05, and it finally does pull back. Why does it happen? Well, 122 is 1, 123 is 2, 124 is 3 strikes, right? 3 strikes is basically where you want to risk off and go to runners. Big potential to pull back. Maybe you kept holding, but then you have to know, like in your head, up here, we are +4. So once you get +4, this is BL +4, right? Bull risk. You are late. Right? This was just a massive move up. You are late. We don't want to trade any of these things. But if we look at tradability, full send at 12:02, we are looking to follow the price action, get back in on the pullback. Don't even have bears listed on here or on the view because we just don't care about them right now. It's an NVIDIA full send trend day. And what happens? They move it back down, 2 strikes. It looks like it's all over. And then bam, you have an awesome opportunity to take a trade right here. 13.05, 13.10. And then just buying and holding that until the close, you are getting a strike higher. Now remember, this is stock flow. It doesn't move like 0 DTE. This is like a plus 40%, I think, gain, which is really, really good. But this is like perfect. It does everything we want. You get the high win rate on the bounce or on the nuke, right? It bounces, and then during the window, we are going higher. We are 1 strike above. You're getting all of the tags. Once we get to 3, okay, it pushes to 4. It's 4 to 5. You already know it's going to be tough. No, you get a pullback. Nothing goes one direction the entire session. Miss all of that. Take this one for a 40% gain. It's just beautiful. And even if you turned every single one of these option alerts off and we were not looking at flow, like we could have traded this just knowing that, hey, +3, risky. I'm going to wait for a pullback. Doesn't nuke below 123. You could have taken it here and even been one of these small florbs or that bull bomb. That is the rigged system working as designed. If this was a Friday and you got that kind of move and then this move at the end, you know, this 40% gain is like 400% plus. It's really a good session to come back, look at it, check out the chart, and kind of map this out on your own because this is clean. This is what you want, and this is what we want to like optimize for when it behaves in the way we expect it to. Will it always be like this? No, but full send. Hit this during the window. We are above the blue line, especially after being lower. All the tags to keep it going up. And once we get going, you are only looking to follow the price action. Bulls, positive, PS, positive blue line. And man, if you just waited for this pullback, right? Because you know a pullback's coming. You're pushing from 3 to 4 strikes. It's not ripping. It's going to come back down. Awesome entries. Awesome gains. Stock market is rigged. NVIDIA might not be paying out as much as they used to. But like we'll take this kind of clean, beautiful action every day that ends in Y. That was a terrible thing to say. Don't know why I said it. Have a great day. Keep it extra frosty, people. We'll see you back live in the Discord tomorrow.